Okay, Ryan. Hello? Can you hear me, Ryan?
I can hear you.
Okay, let's get started.
Papa, follow me.
Okay, here.
Oh my god, I
So what
can't
game are we
see.
playing? Can you tell me about the game? What is this game we're playing?
It's a spooky game. It's a nightmare game. It's a scary game.
But okay, where do we go? Which server do we choose?
Papa, this is 5 people, I think.
Okay, shall we get in? Should we get in?
Yes.
Okay,
Get
get
in
in.
this
I'm
team.
in. Create 5.
I
I
cannot
already
get
chose 5.
in.
I chose 5. I should have
5, get inside.
3,
Get
4.
inside.
Okay, 4. We have 4 already. Oh, do you
Let me
see
get
that person?
inside, bro.
He looks so weird with a very small head and a big
You mean
torso.
you mean a fat person like this?
Yeah, he looks so
Papa,
weird.
I don't know if we're gonna survive because I remember we died
Survive
at the start.
99 days. Oh,
Oh
how
my
long?
god,
How long can
that
you
was almost
survive?
a 90
Oh, I
days.
remember this game, Ryan, last time. It's so scary. At night, there's something weird that comes, right? We need to be in a circle, like surrounded by monsters.
I when I was in
So,
the circle, I nearly died, bro.
so what to
I
do
think we
first, right?
first we need to use our chopping stuff to break
Hold
trees.
X. So I get the X. Okay, I'm following.
Break the trees. Break the small trees, Papa. You
Okay,
need to break the
I'm
small
chopping
trees.
them off.
Oh my God, these are not. Oh, rock, Papa, and put them
Chop
in the fire.
trees. Okay, then collect. How do I
Put it
collect?
put it in the fireplace.
Okay, where's the fireplace?
Papa, that's not
It's just
wood.
the two of us.
That's
Where? Oh,
Papa, that's not wood. That's a stick.
okay. How many of us are there? How many?
Mm,
More
this girl
logs?
left. We're the only 3 persons left
Oh,
because that
oh, we
girl
need more
left
people.
early.
Last time where there were, like with many people, we could survive, right?
Yes, we
But when it's just the
we
two
could
of us, we can
sacrifice our
die.
people. If there was a very tall man
Mhm.
it was the person inside the game, he can kill the monster and he
More
dies
logs.
and we
Ryan,
survive.
we can only carry one log at a time. We cannot carry
Yes.
more than that. Oh, there's a
Oh,
bunny.
we can put it in
Ah,
your
Ghost has died. Who's Ghost? Someone has died.
bunny has died.
No, this one. What
Oh
is it?
my god.
We have a dead person.
Dangerous, dangerous,
Danger, danger, danger.
danger. Papa, stay in the circle. It's almost
Is
nighttime.
it nighttime? Wait, let me chop this off.
Papa, how did she die, bro? Did she respawn to die?
I'm not sure. Do you think it was a monster who did that?
No, no. I didn't see a monster. I think she respawned herself.
More logs? Should I get more
Oh,
logs? It's not
Papa,
nighttime yet.
they let us respawn. She respawned, I think. So
Mm.
she died.
No, it's not a monster, right? It's not nighttime yet.
Yeah. Oh my god, the fireplace is getting too low for this.
Okay. More
What,
logs. More
what
logs,
is
Ryan.
it? Papa,
Mm. I like this game.
I
It's scary, but I like it.
you saved it, bro. You saved the
Oh,
game. I guess.
Ryan, why am I dropping stuff here inside this thing?
What?
Oh, it's nighttime. Nighttime, Ryan.
Oh, no
Come
monster
over
now.
here. Do you see that girl? Should we get
That's
more
not a
logs?
girl. That's a boy.
A boy or a
She.
girl? Oh, it's nighttime already. Should we stay
That's
here within the circle?
yes. But if he
But
comes
what if
inside the
we run
circle,
out of logs? We should get more logs.
no, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. Wait, I see some light, bro. Don't go there. Don't go there. I'm sure that's a trap. I don't know. I think there's traps in this game.
Okay, should we go? We're running out
No,
of fire.
no, we should.
Oh, do you see
We,
that monster, Ryan? I see it. Do you see it?
I see it. I see it. I see it. I see
It's
it. How about hide
just.
somewhere? Hide somewhere.
Oh, now it's
No,
hiding. Okay, can we go
no,
somewhere?
I'm
Oh,
scared.
Ryan, we're running out of fire.
How about
Oh,
don't
I'll
say
get
that?
another log. Should I get another
Hey,
log?
no, no. Let the fire run out first, and we're gonna go get a lock.
Do you hear this?
Yes, I heard the sound at the begins.
It was so spooky.
I think I saw a Let's say I'm running out of
Ryan, we're
stamina.
running out of level 1 progress. Ah, it's morning time. Oh, okay. Lucky us. Bunny
Papa,
foot.
I almost ran out of stamina. I don't have
Oh,
that much.
oh,
I need to
how can
kill
I?
rabbit.
Oh, me too.
Papa, kill
How can I
rabbits.
catch a rabbit, Ryan?
You just need to
How
use
can I
the
catch
sword.
Ah, okay, with the axe.
Papa, make sure to cook
Oh,
them too. Papa, cook them too, alright? You need to cook them in the fire
so I
too.
just take one at a time, right? A mushroom. I'm
Papa, you
hungry.
need to cook them in the fire too. Because
Where's
they're
our fire?
dangerous. The fire is already out.
Okay, so
So we pick up
help.
the.
Okay,
So we're gonna pick
more
up the fire.
mushrooms.
Let's just go. Oh my god, I found one wood. I found wood. Hello, woods. You know anything? Oh, oh. No,
More
I
logs.
broke the wood. I broke the wood.
More logs.
Papa, if that
Okay.
guy eats it, he's dying. He's gonna die because
Do you
he
think?
didn't know
Did he
that we
eat?
didn't
No,
cook it
no, he
yet.
didn't. Where is he? I think he's
He's
gone.
right over there.
Okay,
He's not eating it.
okay. One
The
mushroom for
first,
me.
have a cook them too because they're
How
dangerous.
do I drop it there? And now how to eat it?
Click E to eat.
Okay, is it okay now?
Yes. Click E to
Okay.
eat. Click
Where
E
is
to
eat?
eat.
E. Ah, okay. Oh, thank you. You helped me.
Oh my god. It's
E.
almost nighttime.
What is this? Strap. What to do with this one? Set trap.
Oh my.
Ah, set trap. It's a trap, Ryan. Ah,
What is
so
the
we can
trap?
catch more bunnies. I think we should set it out somewhere
That's a
else.
trap. Oh,
Okay. Okay,
I
I'm gonna
already
set
know
it. Where
there
do you
was.
think bunnies stay? Near here, maybe here?
Oh my god, I see a bunny. I see a
E.
bunny. I see a bunny.
Okay, I set the trap. And maybe
Hey,
next Ryan next to the carrot, you know?
pick it
We
up.
should
Pick it
be.
up. How about me
Okay.
pick it up?
Here.
That
Here, right?
there. No, no, that's not a bunny. That's a
There is
trap
a
still.
Yes, Ryan, but there's carrots there. Bunnies they go after
No,
carrots. Like
they're
this,
not
Ryan. Keep
going.
it, keep it. Like this, Ryan. This is how we catch a bunny.
Go, go out. Go out. Go out. Go out.
Okay, should we get more logs? Night is approaching. Wow, Ryan, it's almost night time.
Go to the. Have a go to the
Ryan,
fireplace. It's
where's the
time. Go
fireplace? What's wrong with
here.
our
Here.
fire?
Here. Here.
Okay, more logs. Come quickly. Oh, nighttime, Ryan. What are we to do?
We need to go in the circle. When it run out, we cannot go now. We have a. What is
Skip?
happening?
What's going on? Oh, somewhere deep in the forest. Oh, is it eating us? Ryan, are you dead?
No.
Ryan face has died. No, no, don't kill me, please. Don't kill me. I want to
I
survive.
fainted,
No,
Papa. Papa, look, I fainted. I
I
fainted. I
am
fainted.
dead.
I fainted on the floor. I'm on the
Okay.
floor now.
Oh, that was
I,
that was a fun game, Ryan. We ran out of fire, you know. We ran out of logs. Okay,
we
it's all right.
should.
Okay, Ryan,
We sh
I'm gonna share the video with you, okay?
yes, we shouldn't we shouldn't have we shouldn't have we should have stayed in the circle for the second round, bro.
Mm. Okay, Ryan.
He definitely can go there. He can go here when it's dark. He goes there because he thinks we cannot see him, but we can see him because of red eyes.
Okay.
Like there's a monster. I thought it was a dog.
Yeah, I knew it was a monster. All right. Okay, Ryan. See you. I'm gonna save this and send it, share it with you, okay? Okay, Ryan? Then we can play later again, okay? Can you hear me, Ryan?
Papa, I found the same dude again.
Okay, now I'll do something. I'll start working on my project for a while, then I'll call you. Okay?
Why you call me, bro? Why are you gonna
Because it,
call me?
because it's a weekend day. After this, I will call you again. We will play again one game. We'll play two
And
times
we're gonna
today.
film a video.
Yes, we will film a video. Okay?
We film only 3 videos.
Two videos for today. We will make two.
Hello, Papa. I'm killing this buddy right now in the game. I saw the same dude again.
Okay, right now I'm
Buddy.
leaving. I'm leaving now, okay?
What? What? Why do you say live?
I am leaving.
You
I'm
need,
leaving. I'm not in
you
the
need to say
server.
leave. You need to say leave, not live.
I'm leaving now. I'm leaving.
Not leave. Not leave. Leave.
Yeah, leave. I'm leaving now. This is what I'm saying, right? Okay, see ya. See you, Ryan.
Oh, no fire.
Bye bye.